Hey guys, what's going on? I am here to do a quick video on this Coach bag that I purchased off of Poshmark. I had watched a couple of reviews where I had started seeing this bag on YouTube a while back or whatever, and I just kept researching and looking. Well, I went to the Coach website and they didn't have the bag. So y'all know I had to do a little digging. So anyway, I finally found the bag, and like I said, I found it on Poshmark. So let me show you guys. And this is how she had it back. She shipped it really nice, and I have already looked at it just to make sure everything was okay. And then she even put a little cute little note on here. Had it wrapped up really well. And so y'all, here is the bag. Super duper cute. And this is the Coach Jes Crossbody with linear quilting in the color black with the gold hardware. And this also comes in the white color, and then it also comes in the monogram also, or whatever. But this bag retails for $428, and right now it is on the Coach website for, I want to say, like $214, but they only have the white one or whatever as far as the quilted wise. And then they have the monogram one. I think it had like some red on there, and I want to say it's retailing at $214 also. So anyway, here is the bag. Super duper cute, very soft, and if I'm not mistaken, it has the Napa leather and smooth leather according to the info from the site. And it has 7 credit card slots. No, never mind, I'm looking at something else. I'm talking about the wallet. It has inside multi-function pockets. Y'all, I'm trying to read the stuff or whatever, but yes, this is the Napa leather. Super duper cute. So let me show you guys the inside. It has 2 zipper compartments. Here's the inside, and here is the strap that it came with. So the first inside, it does not have any pockets, but it's a very spacious bag. And then here's the next pocket. She had it stuffed. And she did, I did purchase a wallet because she sold it as a set. So this is the wallet that it came with. I'll show you guys that in a minute. So here's the other side, and it has just one large pocket. Really nice roomy bag. And just to show you guys how big the bag is, I have just a regular size bottle of water, and it does fit in there. And then I also have some Bath and Body Works lotion, and it does fit in there. So just to give you an idea of how, you know, big the bag is. Really nice bag, and you can stick quite a bit of stuff in here, because as I was looking at reviews, I was like, dang, that bag holds quite a bit or whatever. So that is it with that. And so like I said, it did come with the straps, and you can adjust the straps just like any other bag just about. Has that on there or whatever. I did purchase another, I went on Amazon and got another strap that I had saw a couple of other ladies purchase. So I got this strap right here. It's gold, and it has the black in between. But I purchased the, what length did I get? I got the 48-inch because I wanted mine to be a little bit longer so that I still can wear it crossbody, or I can just wear it as a shoulder bag, but just have the strap a little bit longer. So that's why I purchased this one, because I feel like this bag is a little bit too big to be having just right up under my arm or whatever. So that's why I purchased the longer strap. So you can either do that strap, or I also have another Coach strap that's just like all gold. It's an all gold chain. And this right here is the Coach crossbody strap. And I forgot how long this one is, but it's the one that you can get off of the Coach website. I'm having a hard time getting the paper off, but I'm gonna go ahead and just hook it up and show you guys. So here is this this chain. Like I said, this is the original Coach chain. So if you want to do an all chain thing, you can. And y'all, I'm sorry about having this paper off here, but I'm doing this actually on my break, so it's a kind of a rush video. But I do have another chain that I purchased from Amazon also, and this one is a 55-inch gold chain. Now this one is, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's not the flat one. This is more of the thicker, like a kind of like a rope. Now this one is super duper cute. So you can also do this one. You can also have this one on here also. And y'all, I will do mod shots later, but I'm working from home and I do not have no clothes on. I look like a straight up bum. So I'll have to do mod shots later and do a separate video. Or either I'll put it at the end of this one. Either way, I'll let you guys know. But this is another chain. And you also can get like the shorter chain and have it to where it like loops like that. Just if you want, like, you know how they have the chains do like that. If you want like a little decorative piece for your bag. And you can also, let me do something. And you can also double this to where you can make the chain a little shorter. Oh, and that's cute. I like that. So you can double it. I just doubled it right here. And then that way you can have just a shorter chain. Now that's cute. I like that. So you can do it like that. And then one more. I have my Cassie 19 chain. And it's actually two different colored golds. Because this, well, this is not a gold. This is like a brass. But I'm just showing you how this would, now this is the Cassie. And see, this is a shorter chain. So if you want to go, shorter, then you can go with the shorter chain and just have that like that. But like I said, that's the brass, and then, you know, it has the gold. But just to give an idea, because you can go on Amazon and order different lengths of different kind of, you know, chains and stuff like that or whatever. And you can also add your little puff ball. You know, you can give your little, add your cute little puff. You can either do black or any color. I have the black one, and then I have this little pink one. So you can do either black, you know, you get your little pink, and then put your little strap on here. Or if you have any kind of Coach charms, you can put those on there also. But just whatever you want to do, just however you want to rock your bag, it's up to you. Me personally, I don't like a whole bunch of stuff hanging from my bags, because for some reason every time I get in my car, stuff gets snagged and it just end up, I'll look up and it's on the floor. So I don't like a bunch of stuff hanging from my bag. So I'll do a puff ball here and there, and a you know, charm or whatever here and there, but that's about it. So next, let me show you guys the wallet that it came with. This is the wallet. And this wallet is called the medium corner zip wallet with quilting, and it's currently on the Coach website, but they only have it in the pink or whatever. And this one, it retails for like $228, but on the site right now it's like $79 and some change. So I got the bag and this wallet for like $235. Plus I had an extra $20 credit off of Poshmark. So that's how much I paid for the bag. I thought that was a good deal because it's hard to find this this bag right now in this black or whatever, because I don't know if they're gonna ever restock it again. I'm not sure, but I just went ahead and got it, you know, while I had the chance. But yeah, here's the wallet, here's the back. The wallet is super cute. Here's the inside of it. And then you'll have this little zip. And I think this is perfect. This is the perfect size for that wallet. I don't know if I necessarily rock that puff right there. I'll probably get a cute little charm and put over there. Or I may just, you know, just do my little strap or whatever. But like I said, you can rock it with different kind of straps, different size straps. If you want to get a strap with some color, you can do that also, just however you want to do it. Or you can always use the original strap that it came with. But I just wanted to show you guys my my purchase. And once I carry the bag, I will do a review on that, and I will know how I like the bag or whatever. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.